And Riley and Lakin, woo! Then he says, sit, they got hold it. Systematic and Savannah and Ruby. Pop your arms out big, good. And then he goes, dramatic, and you say pop your arms out big. Big. And then he goes, you put your arms up here. God's grease, lightning. And we shake them big. Are you talking? Okay, shake them big. Big hands. So we got to go over it slow so everybody remembers it. Randy, stand up. Then we shake. We shake, but you know what? We might have to do it to music if I change some stuff. I don't remember. We shake, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we shuffle step. Shuffle step. Shuffle step. And we shake for another 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle step. Shuffle step. Then we step. Clap. Step. Clap. This could be wrong when we do it to music.
That's okay.
We'll see. And then, because I changed the music a little bit. Then I think we went in a circle. And we shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop. And that's when we point our finger. Very slight with this thing. Point our finger. Oh, we might have done that then shuffle hop. I can't remember. I'll have to put the music on. And then we grease lightning. And then it's the hand job. Then we shake. And I know this is wrong because I changed it. Shake, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels, 2. And I'm not sure how many 8 counts. We're going to do the music. Then look at Miss Stacy after we do our heels.
Okay.
Mommy died.
Who?
Mommy died.
Who's that?
My dog.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. This is my
Aww.
day. They have to tell me things all throughout our...
My tattoos are hungry.
That means you need some new ones.
I know. I just bought Brogan's jazz shoes like right before we started, like in August. And can't do everything again. Okay.
Well,
then after we do
hang
our
on.
heels, everybody do your heels with Miss Stacy. Do our heels. Everybody do heels. Then we not. There you are. Just sit where you at. It's okay. Go get your bag down, honey. Get it down your skirt. We're just going over our techniques, okay, Riley? Okay. So after we do our heels, we march 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Oh.
8. Woo! That was an accident. We don't purposely fall. Then we boogie. Boogie. Oh, wait. Yeah. Boogie, 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 boogie. Right, boogie. Woo! Then we march back to our square. March 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah! Then we boogie, 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 boogie. Then we swim. Just swim, swim, swim. Then we do a hand job. Everybody hand job. Lakin and Riley. No talking. Look, do what Miss Stacy does. Clap your legs, your hands, cross, cross, fist, fist, point, point. You do the hand job. Then, I don't know, because I changed some music. How'd you do the music? I think that might be how low can you go? How low can you go? But I'm not sure. So I didn't write it all down.
Yeah.
I have to listen. And then we hop up in a contagion. Now we don't fall all the way down. We all stay right here. Edie, get right here. And then we jump up. Riley, jump up. He goes higher. Lakin, jump up. Higher. Higher, higher. They jump up. Higher, higher, higher. Stop. Now we'll have to put the music on because I don't remember what we did after that. Say. Not do the splits. Maybe you can, hey, maybe you can do the splits in a ballet. Maybe.
Yeah.